ClawBot, or OpenClaw as they call it now, on this $25 phone. So it's actually running inside the Termux app on this $25 phone, and it has access to all the hardware on it. So I call this now my ClawPhone. So OpenClaw lives on this thing and it can control the hardware. So I'll show you that as an example. I'm talking to it over Discord as you would any other OpenClaw agent. So I'm gonna say, hey ClawPhone, can you toggle the flashlight on and off for me? So then it's gonna receive that over Discord, and then it's going to toggle the flashlight on and then back off. And it's using the Termux API, which is a way for things, programs that run inside of Termux to do things on the phone like a app would. And the cool part about that is, normally a person or a program would be using it, but now an agent through OpenClaw can just use the Termux API and do things on the hardware. So there's some other cool things that we can do. One of them is I'm going to ask it, okay, ClawPhone, can you please take a picture with the back camera, and then please describe what you see in that picture. And then I'm going to hold the phone, and I'm actually going to take a Raspberry Pi and point the phone at a Raspberry Pi while it's taking this picture. So I'm going to go ahead and send that in, and then I have a Raspberry Pi right here. It should be looking at it, and we'll see what it ends up doing when it takes a picture. That picture is being taken. You can actually see with the little green icon that ClawBot or OpenClaw just took that picture. And then it's going to throw that picture back into Discord for us to see. And then it's going to run that picture through the model that we have. So right now we're using GPT 5.2, and it's going to run it through that model and then give us a description. So that's what it just saw. Let's see what it gets back with. I actually don't know what it's going to say because I haven't taken a picture of a Pi before. Hopefully it knows what a Pi is. But yeah, so it said single board computer is Raspberry Pi, USB cables. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Another thing I'm going to ask it to do, just some other things you can do, because of course it's on a phone. It has full access to the hardware and the sensors and everything. I'm going to ask it, ClawPhone, can you tell me the current orientation of the phone? So hopefully it's going to use the IMU that's built into the phone. It's going to call it over the Termux API and tell me what the orientation of the phone is. It should be like, I don't know how it's going to describe it, but like vertically standing up or something like that, something along those lines. Yeah, so, okay, it told me get the gravity back from like the accelerometer. It says it's mostly upright vertical. So that's exactly what